Hello to all. We are since last two virtual classes seeing the short story The Bet by Anton Chekhov. In the first part, we have seen information about the author and what is the theme of the short story. In the second part, we have seen how the banker has given a party, and in that party how the discussion come out about the death penalty, about the capital punishment, and how the discussion goes on. Finally it ended having a bet between the lawyer and the banker. The bet has been made by writing down an agreement, by having every details of the bet, how the young lawyer will spend his 15 years in the solitary confinement, as he has accepted to stay for not 5 but 15 years in the solitary confinement, that is a lodge or a room which is provided by the banker in his garden. So we will continue our virtual class. The banker is remembering the 15 years has been already passed, and banker is walking in the garden and he is remembering everything, how the bet took place, how the discussion is made, and how the young lawyer had spent his 15 years in the solitary confinement. He has remember everything as he was walking in his garden. He remembers in the first years the lawyer had suffered from loneliness and depression, as he was not habitual to live in solitary place alone, without any contact, without any human contact or with other outside world. And because of this he was suffering from the loneliness and the depression. For some days he played piano day and night, and he refused wine and tobacco, as he think that it will excite his desire and it will result in the breaking of the bet, and so he refused wine and tobacco. He also started in the first year to read the books of light characters, romantic short stories, novels with a love plot, and he spent the first year by reading the books on light characters and novels with a love plot or romantic stories. Then in the second year, as the banker remembers, the piano was silent. He stopped playing with the piano, which in the earlier, that is the first year, he played day and night, but now he has stopped playing piano. It was silent now, and he started reading books of the classics, that is the Greek or Roman, or those who are the classics authors, and their books he started reading. So it was his second year. And then in the fifth year, he asked for wine. He makes change in his routine, and when the fifth year started, he asked for the wine. And in this fifth year, he was not reading anything, he was not playing piano, but he has eating and drinking and sleeping. It was his schedule that he regularly, when the fifth year started, he regularly started drinking wine, eating and only sleeping. Sometimes he becomes very angry, and he angrily talks to himself, because there was no one to talk with him. So he started talking to himself, and he was very angry about himself, that he cannot stop his angry feelings, and he started talking to himself. Sometimes he started to write anything on the paper. The whole night he spent on writing, and when in the morning, whatever he has written in the night, everything he tear up, he destroys everything what he has written whole night. So this was the feelings, this was the things he has done in the fifth year, and he has also completed the fifth year also. So when the sixth year started of his solitary confinement, he was not come out of that room, he was alone in the room, and he was doing things as his daily schedule, as his daily routine in the room. And when the sixth year started, he started studying languages, different languages, books on philosophy, books on history, everything about the language, philosophy and history. He started reading and studying also the new languages. In this year, he has asked for more than 600 books to the banker. He ordered by writing and putting it into the window, and when the banker got this, it was his duty to provide those things to the lawyer. And he has more than 600 books on language, philosophy and history he ordered, and those books were provided by the banker. Actually, he has to do much work to get those books all over the world, from the different countries. Even he has to get those books from other countries, and he got those books and he provided those books to the lawyer. Then after some days, he wrote a letter to the banker. In the letter, he has written a single line into different 6 languages, and he asked the banker, I have written a single line into 6 different languages. That means he has learned 6 languages up to now, and he asked the banker to show it to the experts of that languages. And if there is not a single mistake into those lines, then he should shoot a fire into his garden. And when he will shoot into his garden, he will come to understand that all the lines are correct, his learning language is completed. And when he requested to the banker did as the lawyer has wished, as the lawyer has asked him to do, and he showed to masters of those 6 languages and what he has written, the line which he has written into those languages, and the masters of those languages said these lines are the correct, there is not a single mistake in these lines, and so he fulfilled his wish by firing a shot in the garden. Up to now he has studying the languages, and he has not only studies the language but he mastered those language. In the 11th year, when the 11th year started, he started reading of the gospel. Gospel, that is the Bible. That means he started reading the Bible. Only a single book of not more than 100 pages. Up to now he has studied more than 600 books on different topics, on different subjects, on different languages. But now when the 11th year started, he started with reading only a single book, and that is the Bible, and he studied the Bible with full concentration, and day and night he studied the only book, that is the Bible. So it was wondered the banker that how he has written. He was a voracious reader, that he has read not only 100 books, he has written 600 books, and now in the 11th year he is studying only one book, and that is not of the bulk size. It is not 100 or something up to the 100 pages book, and he has only reading the Bible book for the 11th year. And when he finished the reading for almost a year, the only book, and when he finished the reading of the Bible for a year, he started the books reading or studying on the theology and religion. That means he become more religious now, and he ordered the books on theology, that is the study of the religion, and also the books of the religion. And again he started reading more books. Then in the last 2 years, when he finished reading books on language, philosophy, history, books on theology and religion, now in the last 2 years, that is he is going to complete his 15 years, and before completing his 15 years, into those 2 years he started reading of books of different subjects indiscriminately without stopping. If he studied the books of history, he immediately started in the next day reading the books on literature, or Shakespeare or Scott or William Wordsworth. He studied, and then in the next day he started reading on chemistry or medicine or philosophy, theology. So he indiscriminately, he not stick to any one subject, but he started at the same time studying all the subjects, all the different subjects and books of different subjects at the same time. If he finished one book of the one subject, he started another book of another subject. So he was studying indiscriminately. There is no limit, or there is no some rules or of his own that he will study this one only or he will study that one only. But he started studying everything he started reading those things and studying those books. So now the banker is thinking that it was his last night, and at the 12 o'clock on that day he will complete his bet. Before 15 years, 2 millions was not big amount for the banker, but now the banker has lost his money into the stock exchange market. Because of the gambling in the stock exchange market, he has lost money, and he has not now the rich that he was before 15 years. He has not now the rich banker, but he has become a middle rank banker. And he worried, now the lawyer is going to win his bet, and as per the bet, as per their agreement, the banker has to give him 2 million rupees. And for this he has to sell everything what he has. That means he has to sell his property, he has to sell his bungalow, his cars, and whatever he has the property he has to sell, and he will come on the road. So he will become poor person, he will become the poor man, and he will lose everything that he has. Now his situation has changed very much, that it is not possible to give him 2 millions easily. For that he has to sell, and he will become bankrupt. And he think, while walking in the garden, while walking into his cabin, what he will do, what is there is any way to come out of this situation. And while thinking, he came to the conclusion that he will save from the bankruptcy, that is that is he has to sell everything, that he is going to become bankrupt. And so to save from this bankruptcy and disgrace, poverty is the disgrace, so as he thinks that to come out of this situation there is only one way, and that is the death of the lawyer. That means he has to kill the lawyer, and he has to save his money. So this was the only way he has left now, and so he decided that now he will kill the lawyer. So he takes the decision that he is going to kill before he complete his the bet, and he has to sell everything as to meet the demands of the lawyer. Thinks what the lawyer will do with money when he will get 2 millions, what he will do. Now he has become the 40 years old, he has spent 15 years of his life, his young life, into the solitary confinement. And when he will got these 2 millions, what he will do, he will marry to a girl, or he will gamble, or he will spend money, he will whatever he has sold, he will get those things, he will have the luxury cars, he will have the bungalow, and all those the things that he is going to lose. And so that was his the final decision, that he is going to kill the lawyer. And he decided to go into the room where the lawyer is. The door of the room is closed 15 years before, and since then it is not opened a single time. So he decided to go into the room and to kill the young lawyer. He went and opened the door, he entered into the room. He saw that the young lawyer had sit on a chair, and he was there without any movement. He was practiced since 15 years by to sit on a place without moving. So he was in his chair, he goes behind the lawyer, and before to kill the young lawyer, he saw there was a candle on the table, and before the candle there was a letter. The letter was written by the lawyer to for the banker. And so he decided before to kill the lawyer, he will read the letter. And so he takes the letter and he started to read that letter, which is written by the lawyer. In this letter, the lawyer has remember everything what he has achieved during these 15 years. He has written so many books, he has studied different languages, he has got the knowledge, he has got the wisdom, and he through the books he has seen the world, he has seen the nature, he has seen the trees, he has seen the water, river, sea, he has seen everything through the books. And after getting wisdom, after getting the knowledge, now he has come to the conclusion that there is nothing left in the material gain or the artificial things. He has got the pure knowledge, he has got the pure wisdom, and he has come to the conclusion that he now despises everything. He is not interested in money, he is not interested in the luxurious life, he don't want anything, he even don't want the 2 millions which he was going to receive after winning the bet. So this was the change he has got into his opinion, and he decides that he will break the compact, he will break the agreement. So what he will do, he will go out of the room before the time, before the 5 hours time fixed. Okay. So he has decided that he do not want the money, he do not want the 2 million, whatever he has got by studying those books, he has got more than 2 millions, he has got everything, and he despises all these worldly things, and that is why he decided to go out of the room before the time it has fixed to win the bet. And when the banker read the letter, he could not stop tears come out of his eyes. He was weeping, and he felt so sad that how he is mistaken, how he has misunderstood the lawyer, and the tears come out of his eyes, and he, after reading the letter, he kept as it was, and he went out of the room. When he went into his cabin, he felt very sad about himself. He started despising himself. He was not despised, or he was not sad that much about himself when he has lost money into the stock exchange. But now he despised about his act. His act to kill the lawyer was absolutely wrong, and he despises himself what he was going to do. And now he could not sleep, he became restless, and in the morning the watchman come out saying that the door of the room is open, and the man, the lawyer, is not there. He has gone. He has gone from there, and no one is the room, and the door of the room is open now. So here we come to the end of the short story The Bet, written by the famous Russian author Anton Chekhov. And so with this short story we will stop our virtual class. Thank you very much. Thank you again.